In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with HubSpot support in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or simply someone who needs a bit of guidance, accessing HubSpot's support team is straightforward and effective. So let's dive right in. First, you want to head to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in HubSpot's official website. This homepage is your gateway to all of their tools and resources, and it's where you'll need to begin this process. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, you need to locate the Login button. You'll typically find this option in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this button is important as you need to be logged into your account to access support options. After clicking the Login button, enter your credentials and navigate to the HubSpot home. This is your dashboard where you'll have access to a variety of tools tailored to your business needs, and most importantly, where you'll find the support section. Once you are on your HubSpot home dashboard, look for the Help button. This is usually located in the main menu or your profile options depending on the version or updates HubSpot may have made recently. Clicking this will direct you to the support center where all kinds of help resources are readily available. Now that you've accessed the support section, you'll want to initiate a chat. Simply look for the option to Start a Chat. This is generally located as a feature within the Help section, allowing you to connect directly with a support agent. Click this option and you'll be prompted to enter some basic information about your issue or question. At this point, you'll be connected with a HubSpot customer support representative. It's worth mentioning that they are quite adept at handling a wide range of inquiries, from technical issues to simple usage questions. Make sure to communicate your issue clearly and concisely to get the most effective help. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you're not sure where to click or find these features, HubSpot provides excellent visual guides and on-screen prompts to assist you. Also, remember that their support is multilingual, so language will not be a barrier in most cases. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've gone through how you can easily chat with HubSpot support and get assistance with your queries. Remember that HubSpot's support team is there to help you navigate through challenges and ensure that you're making the most out of their tools. Happy chatting.